Hey everybody, this is Colin Gelfer with Atrium, and I wanted to share a quick industry perspective on the heavy equipment and machinery industry. For those of you who don't know, Atrium's a consulting partner really focused around helping our clients take a data-driven approach to CRM. And one of those areas that we're taking a data-driven approach with is around predictive maintenance. And what's interesting about predictive maintenance is the business case is fantastic. When you start talking about being able to identify a part or a machine that's likely to fail, we can reduce the downtime by up to 45%. And so that's a fantastic outcome when you're talking about service management and driving better field service processes. So we're really focused around helping to identify, which machines are likely to fail. Also, where can we drive additional revenue by selling service contracts? And then there's some additional benefit around having better visibility into the parts that are required to keep an inventory to support these assets that are out in the field that need to be serviced. When we look at the use cases, one of the most interesting ones is being able to predict parts that are likely to fail and then generating a work order and dispatching somebody out to the field preemptively. As we mentioned, we can also use analytics to identify which customers have a high propensity for buying a service contract or an equipment protection plan. We can even do things like build stress indexes for parts or certain types of machines, all on the Salesforce platform. And again, when we take this data-driven approach to field service, it's also going to help us optimize the inventory of parts that we need to execute our work orders. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us at info@atrium.ai. And thanks for joining.